These come vacuum sealed in 2 packs, and total is 48. They're 12 by 12 by 1 inch. And this pack is all black. Just to throw out a few different ideas of ways to put them, you can either have them all going the same direction, and you can stack them all with them all going in the same direction, either going this way or going this way, or you can do one going this way, the other one going this way, the other one going this way, all the way like so. And then on the next level, you can either stack them the same, you can start them different, or you can start them in the middle. So you can cut one in half and you start it in the middle, and then that way you can either continue the same pattern, or you can start a whole new pattern. There's all kinds of different patterns you can do with them. Just throwing this out there, just the simple ones, because you might just be kind of, what do I want to do? Well, there's different patterns you can do, and they all look good too. If you're trying to figure out a pattern and you don't want to permanently stick them up there, some light double-sided tape works great for doing this right here. Just trying to figure out what pattern to do. It doesn't stick on there, comes off easily. The tape comes off easily off the back of these too, and off. So it's just an easy way to get them to kind of stay in place. That way you can kind of move them around and see what pattern you want to do.